So today I'm going to talk about how my hair was after I took down these Jumbo Box Braids. I love these Jumbo Box Braids as a protective style. They were quick and easy to put in, and the takedown was simple as well. So what I did was I just cut the ends of the hair, and I'm going to start just unbraiding all the way up to the root. And this video is, I didn't, speed it up or anything, so this is really how quick it was to take down these braids. I probably could have been done in 30 minutes, but I had to stop and go take care of my kids. But otherwise, if I was just to, concentrate and take these down, I could probably take these down in 30 to 45 minutes. But you'll see the hair slides out easily. There's not much product buildup at my roots. My hair is still moisturized. There's no damage. Yeah, this is a really great protective style. And I have videos up on my channel about how I parted my hair for the style, how I installed it, how I accessorized it. So if you're interested, go ahead to my channel and check it out. So again, I'm just repeating the same thing. I cut the ends, I'm unbraiding it. And then I'm just taking the hair out as I get up to the root. And the way I installed it, I didn't use any rubber bands or anything, so I'm not concerned with breakage. The way I separated the hair to install it, there's not much in the way of tanglet and much in the way of tangled hair. This is a really great style, and I am definitely going to do it again. Alright, so as you can see, I'm about halfway done with my hair, and at this point I had to stop to go take care of one of my boys. But yeah, I didn't speed this video up at all, so it took me like 10 minutes to take out half my hair. So this is like much quicker than the other types of box braids I would get, where I would have to set aside like a whole day to take out my hair. So yeah, another reason I love these style. Yep, so that's when I came back. I finished taking out my braids off camera, and my baby boy came to join me. But yeah, I just wanted to show the final condition of my hair. Like I said, there wasn't much product buildup at the roots. My hair was still moisturized, and there was like minimal breakage or damage, so I would definitely do this again. But yeah, that's the one that disturbed me. But yeah, I love the style and the easy takedown.